Accidentally deleted a photo on your iPhone? Don't worry. You still have up to 30 days to recover it using a built-in feature on your device. Here's how to bring those photos back without needing any extra apps or tools. Start by opening the Photos app. Scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted under the Utilities section. Your iPhone will ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode before showing anything. Once unlocked, you'll see all recently deleted photos and videos, each with a countdown showing how many days remain before they're permanently erased. To recover a single photo or a few, tap Select in the top right, choose the images you want back, then tap Recover at the bottom and confirm. Just a heads up, if something's been in recently deleted for over 30 days, or if you manually deleted it from there, it's gone forever. No way to get it back unless you have a backup in iCloud or on your computer. To protect your memories going forward, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, then Photos. Make sure iCloud Photos is turned on. This automatically saves your photos across devices and helps avoid permanent loss. That's all it takes to recover deleted photos on iPhone. If this helped, tap like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more quick Apple tips.